मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर वेल. Okay, my dear kids, we have started on new lesson on the last class. Only 4 lines we have learned. Rahim ke dohe, do dohe only we learned. So we are going to continue that lesson. Have you learned that lesson? Have you understood that 4 lines? Okay, my dear kids, please understand the lessons and learn. Okay, so today we are going to continue the lesson of lesson 11, Rahim ke dohe. Okay, I'll take your textbook, page number 83. Up of that, write today's date. What is the date today? 2/2/2021, Mangalwar. Okay, I'm going to read with me. Okay. तरुवर फल नहीं खात है, सरवर पियत न पान, कही रहीम परकाज हिद, संपत्ति सजही सुजान. तरुवर फल नहीं खात है, सरवर पियत न पान, कही रहीम परकाज हिद, संपत्ति सजही सुजान. Write the meaning of it. तरुवर tree, नहीं no, खात है eats, server pond, piyahi drinks, pan water, per others, kaj hid welfare of, sambatti wealth, sajahi to collect, sujan intelligent. Once again, taruvar tree, nahi no, khat hai eats, server pond, piyahi drinks, not piyat, isn't it? Piyat drinks, sorry ma, piyat only drinks, pan water, kaj hid per others, kaj hid welfare of, sambatti wealth, sajahi to collect, sujan intelligent. Okay, after reading the meanings, how जिस प्रकार पेड़ अपने फल को कभी नहीं खाते हैं, isn't it? If the tree, whether it will drink the water, drink the fruit like a coconut, whether the coconut tree will eat the coconut, whether the mango tree will eat the mango, whether the apple tree will eat the apple. No, isn't it? So जिस प्रकार पेड़ अपने फल को कभी नहीं खाते हैं, तालाब अपने अंदर जमा किए पानी को कभी नहीं पीता है. Isn't it? The whether the pond will drink the water, if the pond is drinking the water won't be there. Then the water, that is not a pond, like, right? So the like the पेड़ अपने फल को नहीं खाते हैं और तालाब अपने अंदर जमा किए पानी को कभी नहीं पीता है. उसी तरह से अच्छे व्यक्ति भी अपने इकट्ठे किए हुए धन से अपना नहीं बल्कि दूसरों का भला करते हैं. Isn't it? Those like पेड़, it is keeping the fruits for us only. The pond also is keeping the water for us. It is not for it. It's like that. Good people also, what they will do? They are keeping the wealth for them, not for themselves. They are good people and all. They will keep the wealth for others only. इकट्ठा किए गए धन को अपने नहीं बल्कि दूसरों का भला करते हैं. Isn't it? They are using for others' welfare. Isn't it? So तरुवर फल नहीं खाते हैं. तरुवर वृक्ष, पेड़ फल नहीं खाता है. सर्वर पियत न पान. सर्वर, that pond is not drinking the water. कही Rahim is telling that others, those who are thinking about others' welfare, what they will do? They are taking saving the wealth for others things only. Others what? For they are collecting the wealth for others' welfare only. They are not using for us. So that buddhiman person, that intelligent person, what they will do? They will use that wealth for other people. Isn't it? Understood? So next one. तोते बादर क्वार के, ज्यों रहीम कह रात, धनी पुरुष निर्धन भये, करें पाचली बात. तोते बादर क्वार के, ज्यों रहीम कह रात, धनी पुरुष निर्धन भये, करे पाचली बात. Once again, तोते बादर क्वार के जो रहीम कहरात. While ma'am is reading, you should read with me. Then only you can improve your reading skill. Okay? तोते बादर क्वार के जो रहीम कहरात. धनी पुरुष निर्धन भये करे पाचली बात. Okay? तोते. What is the meaning of तोते? Empty. Empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. You can see the meaning here. Badar, cloud. Badar, cloud. Quar, one month's name. Okay, month. One month name only quar. Jom means as soon as. As soon as. Kahrat, cloudy. Kahrat means cloudy. Thani Purush, wealthy person. Thani Purush, wealthy person. Nirdhan Bhaye becomes poor. Nirdhan Bhaye becomes poor. Kare does. No need. Pichli Kare does only. Pachli baat to talk about the things of past. Talk about the things of past. Okay. This is the meaning. So thote badar क्वार के जो रही कहरात धनी पुरुष निर्धन भये करे पाचली बात. इस प्रकार खौर के महीने में आकाश में घने बादल दिखते हैं पर बिना बारिश किए वो बस खाली खड़खड़ाने की आवाज़ करते हैं क्योंकि उनमें पानी नहीं होता. उस प्रकार जब कोई अमीर व्यक्ति गरीब हो जाता है तो उसके मुख से बस अपनी पिछली बड़ी बड़ी बातें ही सुनाई पड़ती हैं जिनका कोई मूल्य नहीं होता. इसलिए see sometimes the sky will be so cloudy and the thunder also will come but the rain won't be coming, isn't it? Because the sky having no water. Like that we have to guess. Okay, in the Quar Mahina, Quar on name type on month name, that month only usually it is happening. Like the sky will be so cloudy. Sky will be so cloudy and the rain won't come. The thunder will also come. Thunder will be there but no rain will be there because they don't have water. Us prakar, if any rich person, when he is not having, when everything, he will become poor. What happen? He will, because like sky is making sound, right? That used by thunder. My making sound is that thunder. So like that, this rich person also will speak something. What when he was rich, that time what and all happened, that everything he used to murmur when he became poor, isn't it? I was like that, everything gone, like that he used to murmur, right? So when the sky will be cloudy and no rain will come, that time the sky has sending thunder to say something, like to show something. So like that this rich person also, when they will suddenly become poor, they used to talk more about the rich time, but any value is there? No value, isn't it? Like that when the sky is making thunder, even no value because rain won't come. Like that rich person also, when he became poor, that time when he is telling anything, that when he was rich, that pichli badi baatein he सुनाई पड़ते हैं. When he was saying that only he will used to say, but what happened? कोई मूल्य नहीं होता. Just like in the month of Quar, thick clouds appear in the sky, but without raining they simply thunder around. That way, when a rich person becomes poor, only his last actions are heard from his mouth, last pompous action, which have no value. That won't be any value because the sky is making thunder and no rain means that is no value, right? So if it is thundering, even let it be. Like that we will leave. So like that rich person also, if they are murmuring about the previous things and all, means we won't listen to them, isn't it? So that have no value. Then last one. Next page you write, take my dear kids. धरती की सी रीत है, शीत खाम और मेघ, जैसी परे सो सही रहे, त्यों रहीम यह देह. Once more, धरती की सी रीत है, शीत खाम और मेघ, जैसी परे सो सही रहे, त्यों रही यह देह. Once again, धरती की सी रीत है, शीत काम और मेघ, जैसी परे सो सही रहे, त्यों रही यह देह, मीनिंग धरती की सी लाइक एर्थ, रीत है ट्रेडिशन, शीत cold, शीत means cold, isn't it? Calm sunshine, calm means sunshine. मेघ rain, सही रहे to tolerate, धरती की सी like earth, रीत tradition, शीत cold, calm sunshine, मेघ rain, सही रहे to tolerate. धरती की सहन शक्ति का उदाहरण देकर हमें यह समझाने की कोशिश करती है कि जिस प्रकार धरती पूरी शक्ति के साथ हर मौसम का मुकाबला करती है, इसलिए उसका सहन करती है, हम मनुष्यों को भी धरती की तरह होना चाहिए. जीवन में कितना भी दुख हो, कितनी भी चुनौतियाँ हो, घबराना नहीं चाहिए, बल्कि डटकर उसका मुकाबला करना चाहिए. इसलिए धरती सी वी कैन थिंक अबाउट द धरती अर्थ. See, rain is coming, heavy rain is coming, earthquake is coming, whatever it is coming, like sunshine, if it is cold, see, if it is hot outside, we will come inside the home and we will sit, right? But the earth, they can't do anything, they have to be there only. So earth, how much it is tolerating by getting the heavy rain, by accepting the sunshine, by accepting the cold, by accepting all the seasons, every season, whatever the seasons it come, everything this earth is tolerating, right? So like by seeing that, we have to also be like our earth. We also have to tolerate everything. We also have to face it. If anything, any challenges, any problems will come, even we should face it with a very tolerant mind. Okay, my dear kids. So धरती की सहन शक्ति का उदाहरण देकर है हमें यह समझाने की कोशिश की है कि जिस प्रकार धरती पूरी शक्ति के साथ हर मौसम का मुकाबला करती है, उसका सहन करती है, हम मनुष्यों का भी वी द पीपल ऑल्सो हैव टू लाइक अ अर्थ. वी ऑल्सो जीवन में कितना भी दुख हो, हाउ मच सैडनेस इट विल कम, इवन कितना भी चुनौतियाँ हो, वॉट एवर चैलेंजेस इट इज़ कमिंग, इवन घबराना नहीं होना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट अफ्राइड, बल्कि डटकर उसका मुकाबला करना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट अफ्राइड, वी शुड फेस इट, isn't it? We should face it. So धरती की सी रीत है. धरती, how the tradition it is going on, how it is traditioning, what tradition it is following, that everything it is tolerating, whatever शीत cold it is coming, calm sunshine it is coming, मेघ rain it is coming, even जैसी परे सो सही रहे, whatever it is coming it will tolerate. So like that we all tom rahim yahde, like that we also have to tolerate everything and we have to face it. That only in this poem the Rahim is telling to us, isn't it? So understood, my dear kids? So that's all this lesson. We finished that lesson. I'll send the notes today. Copy the notes properly and see this one fully. Now itself you sit and read. If you have any doubt, you put the video again and watch the videos and learn the meanings and try to read Hindi properly, my dear kids. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.